Okay, I want you to pay attention to what I just received from Credit Karma. We're pleased to share an update that gives you savers like you easier ways to move your money. Previously, federal regulations placed a limit of 6 withdrawals per month from your save account. Now there is no longer a limit on how often you can make saving withdrawals. Whether you move the money from your save to spend account or make an external transfer, you don't have to worry about hitting the limit of 6 withdrawals per month. Keep in mind that regulations can change if there's an update to any regulation affecting your withdrawal limit. Rest assured you will be notified. Cheers to progress. Credit Karma Money Team. Okay, so what is this really saying to me? This is an effer to me with the flag on top of it on the hill. They're setting up the banks to crash. They're setting up the banks to do a bailout. They're setting up the banks to do a bank run, just like you're seeing over in China for the last 3 or 4 months, folks. They're setting up the banks to fail on purpose. They want it. They're herding you into the cattle chute, and they're trying to get you to follow the herd of sheeple that will be going, oh my God, I can't believe what's going on. I'm going to withdraw all my money. Now, it's good to be prudent, but I'm just warning you right now that what they're planning on doing is crashing the banks. As far as my opinion, what do you think? Because I'm just telling you what I can recognize. I can see this from a mile away. I've always had this vision where I could just look at charts and go, yep, it's going to do this and it's going to do that. I mean, I can analyze it in my brain so quicker than a quantum computer. And I just see this is what they're planning on doing, dudes. You understand, folks? Now, I've been very careful not to keep much in the bank except for to pay bills and have external cash. I hope you're paying attention to this, because this is just another one of those things where they subconsciously are prepping you for failure. Another catastrophe, another, order out of chaos type of deal, where they want you standing in a bread line because you lost everything you had. It's getting thick, guys. Start preparing. If you ain't started prepping, you ain't started homesteading, you ain't growing your own food, you ain't raising your own livestock, you might want to get on the ball. And don't forget, water is one of the most important things in the world, so make sure you secure that too. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I'm not out here to make any money off y'all. Just trying to get you prepared by informing, educating, and preparing you. Have a good one.